Okay, holistic travel guy, and here's our room at the Hilton, Home2 Suites by Hilton. We had 2 nights stay here. It was a beautiful room. First thing on the left, as soon as you come in the door, is this beautiful kitchenette with full-size freezer, full-size fridge, almost full-size, like probably an 80% size fridge, toaster, giant microwave, all the dishes and silverware, cutlery that you'll ever need, knives, forks, spoons, even cutting boards and pots and pans. Big trash bin under the sink. Oh, there's even a garbage disposal. I didn't even notice that. We didn't use that. Coffee maker, more dishes, cups, glasses, and even a dishwasher, which we used. Supposedly using a dishwasher uses less energy than washing dishes by hand. I haven't ever confirmed that, but that's what I've heard. And then right behind that, on the other opposite wall, is the bathroom with a big, huge sink and vanity. We had plenty of towels. They gave us like 6 towels for 2 people, and there's the rest of them. Big, beautiful shower with rainfall shower head. They even give you free Neutrogena shampoo and shower gel in the shower. And then beyond the bathroom and kitchen area, there's a nice little seating area over here on the right with a couch and a giant mirror, some beautiful artwork on the walls, and then 2 giant queen beds along the right side of the room. There's a workstation with a desk over here on my left, and down here there's recycling bins next to the desk, so you can leave all your recyclables there, and the hotel is recyclable friendly. Giant TV screen over here also on the left, and then a bunch of cupboards and cabinets and drawers and shelves that we didn't really use very much. We used a little bit of the shelves, but not much. And then the standard night table with phone, lamp, and alarm clock. And then there's the AC unit. The control is over on the wall. Beautiful view out this window of some foliage and woods and a little creek down there down below. It was nice and brisk, chilly in the morning, so we went for a walk early in the mornings. And then over here is a closet with the standard luggage rack, iron, and ironing board. So that's about it for this beautiful hotel room. We had a great stay here at the Home2 Suites at Hilton in Asheville, North Carolina. So we're going to just check out today and go up deeper into the woods, into the mountains of Barnardsville. So we'll see you up there, up in the woods and up in the mountains of Barnardsville.